With a YouTube Premium membership, you could download videos to watch offline. Offline viewing is great for when you're on the go or in an area with limited internet connection. There are two ways to download videos on YouTube: manually or with the Smart Downloads feature. Let's start by walking through how to manually download videos. If you find a video you want to download from your YouTube homepage or search in suggested, tap the three-dot menu next to the title. Then select Download Video. Or you can go to the watch page of the video you want and hit download. Once the video is downloaded, you'll get a confirmation. As a YouTube Premium member, you also have access to Smart Downloads on your mobile device. With Smart Downloads, recommended videos are automatically added to your library to watch offline based on your viewing history. Smart Downloads are on by default if you're a Premium member. If you'd like to turn off this feature, go to your U tab, then Settings, Next, Background and Downloads, then toggle Smart Downloads to off. To find your downloaded content from your mobile device, go to your U tab and then Downloads. To find your downloaded content from a computer, go to the YouTube homepage, then from the left-hand panel, click Downloads. Here, you'll see your downloads with all the content that you've manually downloaded. Unless you've turned it off, you'll see Smart Downloads, and you may see Recommended Downloads. Note that downloaded videos can be played offline for up to 29 days. And if you're running into issues downloading videos onto your device, you may need to adjust your settings in the YouTube app. To do this, go to the U tab, then Settings, then on the Background and Downloads page, go to Download Quality and select a lower video quality to download at. Higher quality videos may consume more of your mobile data or take up more space on your device. You can also choose to download over Wi-Fi only to save your mobile data, or delete all of your downloads to free up space on your device. Check out the articles in the description to learn more about downloading content with YouTube Premium. Subscribe to YouTube Viewers for more tips and tricks.